I'm gonna show you how to make an all-in-one, easy cleanup sheet pan dinner. First off, I got an onion. We're gonna throw it in our sweet potatoes. And on top of that, I got a bell pepper. Throwing that in there too. Now what's gonna make it all come together? Just a little bit of oil, drizzle it on top. McCormick's original taco seasoning. Just get crazy. It's taco seasoning. It's a fiesta. Mix it all up. Make sure everything gets evenly coated in that taco seasoning. You take your sheet pan, dump it right on in there. Then you wanna get an even coating on that sheet pan. And we're gonna throw this in the oven and bake it for 25 minutes. Looks like golden brown goodness. Take this ham right here, all over it. Like I said, evenly distributed over everything. We're gonna throw this back in the oven for another 10 minutes. Ooh, I'm not even done. I'm gonna crack 5 eggs on top of this thing. 3. Ooh. And we're gonna stick this back in the oven for another 10 minutes. And there you have it, a beautiful, glowing breakfast for dinner, sheet pan style.